Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add Google Forms in a Blogger. If you have a Blogger website and need to collect responses from visitors, embedding a Google Form is a simple and effective solution. Whether you're running a survey, collecting emails or managing event registration, embedding a Google Form ensures a seamless experience for your audience. Now let's follow these steps together. The first step is to create a copy of your Google Form and code. And to do that, just go to forms.google.com by clicking here and then go to Google Workspace /product/forms and make sure to sign in using your Google account's credentials. Now once you click on login, you'll be directed to your Google Forms dashboard. You can choose a form from an existing one right here. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Now the second step is to click on the three dots here and open the drop down menu. After that, select the end HTML. Click on it, and as you can see, this is the iframe code you want to copy here. Just click on the copy button. You can also change the width and height. Now after you copy the iframe code, the second step is to open the Blogger and create a new post or page. And to do that, just go to blogger.com. And sign in using your account's credentials. After you sign in, click on new posts or pages. And the third step is to insert the Google Forms empt code. And you can do this by clicking on the HTML view in the Blogger editor and paste the copied Google Form iframe code where you want the form to appear. You can adjust the weight and height values to fit your blog's layout. And the fourth step is to publish and test the form by clicking publish and view the post or page to ensure the form appears correctly. You can also try submitting a test response to confirm it works. As for the fifth and final step, monitor responses, and you can do that by going to your Google Forms and check responses view in Google Sheets to track submissions. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now your Google Form is live on Blogger, allowing visitors to fill it out directly from your website. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.